I got this a while back. This is kind of like the little care package, if you will, that you could get from CarolinaCon 2. This is the second online year. I enjoyed the badge from last year, which we'll show a little picture of here. So I wanted to see what they had going on this year. So this is a little pack they sent out. I think it had, yeah, it's got a cool t-shirt in here. So that's pretty fun. Got their logo for this year. I think it's like a satellite there. It's kind of cool. Put that over here. Let's see. A little shot glass. Ah, yes, and the main thing here. The badge. It's a pretty nice looking PCB there. Got some little stuff on the back I'll let you see. So this is 3 resistors, capacitor, LED, a timer, and battery. There's the battery. A little strap for the lanyard. So the badge is going to be the PCB. We've got 2 220 ohm resistors. We've got one 10K resistor. Got an LED here. 120 microfarad capacitor, electrolytic capacitor. Got a 555 timer. And then we've got the little battery deal. Hopefully I can do this a little better than last year. It won't be so crooked. Let's see how it goes. So this electrolytic capacitor will have a positive and negative. And kind of the little rule of thumb is, again, sorry if it sounds like a repeat to some of y'all, but for folks that might just be watching this or trying stuff like this for the first time, the shorter leg is usually negative. Same thing with the LED, shorter leg's negative. These resistors can go either way. On the PCB here, there's a indication in the silk screen, which is really nice, by the way, which way that the notch in the chip goes. And we're just going to pop that in there like that. Here we go. I'm just going to put this in here in the socket as it came out of the bag. Let's see what we get. I'll leave it kind of in an upright position to get this first one started. This is a really nice PCB. And we'll flip it over, let you see it. So let's see here. Get the rest of these guys. Just kind of did it vertical there. Not too lazy to get some tape to tape it down, but that worked okay. Let's see here. All right, that's got the 555 in there. Let's flip this back over. What do we want to do next? How about the LED and the capacitor maybe? Or we could do them all. Let's see. Shorter leg is negative. Negative on the PCB is indicated as that. So we'll just follow that. We will stick that in there. I'm going to kind of spread these legs apart to kind of hold it in place a little bit. We'll see how that works out. This capacitor goes here, and that direction is negative. This one, this one right there, if you can see. So that's the shorter leg. We'll go that way. Same deal there. Put that like that. Kind of spread the legs. That'll hold that. Now, since it has 2 220s on the board and these are 2 together, I'm not good with these colors, so we're just going to say these are 220. So I'm going to take these resistors now, stick them in. One goes here, and again, the orientation doesn't matter on these. Stick that there. Tilt that down a little bit. And spread these apart like that. Our other 220 goes here. This one's being kind of a pain. There we go. And let's see. This is the 10K. Alright, that's in there. Now let's flip over and we will solder some of this stuff in. Remember eye protection? These things will pop off and shoot across the room or shoot right back at you. When you don't expect it. Now, let's see if we can do our battery a little better than we did last time. It doesn't need to be very long at all, does it? Let's see. So I'm just going to guesstimate here. And that maybe. This one doesn't need to be as long. Cut that. Like that. not very scientific here, but just gonna cut that. Strip these with this little handy dandy stripper here. See there? I may put a little solder on the ends of these wires first. Unlike the last badge that I got all jacked up, let's see if I can put this one on the badge straight. Please drink responsibly. All right, might not be perfect, but let's squeeze that on there. Yay, that's better than that last one. Watch that other one if you want to see some carnage. That was bad. All right, so I'm just gonna use this little dental thing to get this in here. Probably should flip this around at this point, but we'll just do what we got there. We'll do this with this one. So got that like that. Those have a little tension on them, so they shouldn't pop out if I flip it around. We'll solder those in. Let's see if we can get something going on there. See if we can get something going on here. That looks kind of okay. Let's take this out of here. That's that one. We'll snip this off a little bit. Just going to rub down all these little places that might have had, you know, some flux or whatever from solder, just to kind of clean it up a little bit. All right, let's see if it works. Looks like we're good here. See the LED, and so just kind of blinking. Really pretty. Really shout out to the guys that designed that. That was a really nice badge. So thanks a lot. Put a little clip on here. Should be good to go.